Welcome to our latest video where we explore the top 5 best long-range folding electric bikes of 2024. Whether you're a commuter, adventurer, or bike enthusiast, these innovative bikes offer exceptional range, portability, and cutting-edge technology. Join us as we unfold each model's unique features, performance capabilities, and why they stand out in this year's lineup. Let's dive in. Number 5. Lectric XPremium. The Lectric XPremium sets a new standard in the long-range folding electric bike market, offering an exceptional blend of power, versatility, and durability. This revolutionary e-bike is powered by two 48-volt lithium-ion batteries, ensuring an impressive range of over 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for extended trips or daily commutes. At its core, the XPremium features an 800-watt peak mid-drive motor capable of reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Riders can enjoy the flexibility of choosing between Class 1, 2, or 3 bike modes, with both pedal assist and throttle options, catering to various riding preferences and requirements. The bike boasts a user-friendly, backlit LCD display that provides essential information at a glance. Its 80mm front suspension fork ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. The 20x4-inch fat tires are puncture-resistant, enhancing reliability and performance. Safety is paramount with the XPremium. It is equipped with 160mm hydraulic disc brakes for superior stopping power. Additionally, the integrated headlight and rear brake light enhance visibility, ensuring safer rides in low-light conditions. Priced at $1,399, the Lectric XPremium offers an unbeatable combination of features and value. Number 4. G-Force T7. The G-Force T7 emerges as a formidable contender in the long-range folding electric bike segment. Crafted for endurance and versatility, this bike is powered by a robust 48-volt, 60-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, translating to a remarkable 2,880 watt-hour capacity. This energy powerhouse enables the T7 to achieve an impressive range of up to 130 miles, setting a new benchmark for long-distance travel in the e-bike world. At its heart lies a 750-watt brushless gear hub motor peaking at 1,300 watts with a torque of 86 Nm, ensuring smooth and powerful acceleration up to 28 miles per hour. The bike is equipped with a high-definition LCD display, offering riders real-time data for efficient journey management. The G-Force T7 doesn't compromise on comfort and safety. It boasts adjustable front fork suspension and a rear suspension system, perfectly suited for diverse terrains. The 20x4-inch all-terrain fat tires add to its stability and ride comfort. For braking, it employs 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various conditions. Constructed with a durable 6061 aluminum frame, the T7 can support a payload of up to 400 pounds, making it a robust choice for riders of all sizes. Safety features include an LED headlight and brake light, ensuring visibility during night rides. Priced at $1,499, the G-Force T7 is more than just a means of transport. It's an investment in durable, high-performance mobility. Number 3. Zectron Folding e-bike. The Zectron Folding e-bike, a marvel in the long-range folding electric bike market, boasts an innovative blend of technology, design, and convenience. Its frame, constructed from aerospace-grade magnesium alloy, stands out with its unibody design, combining lightweight properties with exceptional strength. This e-bike is equipped with a removable internal battery capable of powering rides up to an astonishing 150 miles. This feature not only offers extended range, but also convenience in recharging. The heart of the Zectron is its efficient 350-watt motor, which propels the bike to a top speed of 20 miles per hour, suitable for various urban environments. Rider comfort is a priority, evident in its Max Comfort suspension system that ensures a smooth ride across different terrains. For safety, the bike features hydraulic disc brakes, offering reliable stopping power in all conditions. The Zectron is also technologically advanced, featuring a 3.9-inch built-in LCD display that provides essential ride information. Additionally, its anti-theft system offers peace of mind when parking in public spaces. True to its name, the Zectron's two-step easy folding mechanism makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transport. Priced at $1,099, it presents an attractive option for those seeking a high-performance, versatile, and user-friendly folding electric bike. Number 2. Tesgo Thunder. The Tesgo Thunder is a game-changer in the world of long-range folding electric bikes, combining impressive power with advanced features. This e-bike is equipped with a substantial 48-volt 60-ampere-hour battery, delivering an extraordinary range of up to 160 miles. Powering the Thunder is a 750-watt motor capable of reaching top speeds of 28 miles per hour and delivering a torque of 85 Newton-meter. This makes the bike both agile in urban settings and robust enough for more challenging terrains. The Shimano 7-speed transmission enhances the riding experience, offering smooth gear shifts and versatility. Riders can enjoy 5 levels of pedal assistance, easily adjustable to suit various riding conditions. The multi-function display keeps critical information readily accessible. The bike's front fork, an aluminum shoulder with an iron leg, includes a locking shock absorber. The rear features air pressure shock absorbers, providing a comfortable ride across all surfaces. The 180mm hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable and responsive stopping power. The 20x4-inch Kenda reflective tires enhance safety and performance. The bike also comes with integrated front and rear lights for increased visibility. Priced at $1,599, the Tesgo Thunder stands out for its impressive range, powerful motor, and thoughtful design. Number 1. Mihogo One. The Mihogo One redefines the long-range folding electric bike segment with its innovative design and advanced technology. This e-bike boasts a sleek magnesium alloy unibody, providing a lightweight yet robust structure, ideal for both city commuting and off-road adventures. One of the most striking features of the Mihogo One is its dual battery system, comprising a 14-ampere-hour and a 16-ampere-hour battery. This powerful combination ensures an impressive range of up to 167 miles, setting a new standard in long-range travel for electric bikes. At the heart of the Mihogo One is a 750-watt motor capable of achieving a top speed of 28 miles per hour. This powerful motor, paired with dual-arm torque sensors, offers a smooth and responsive riding experience, adapting efficiently to different riding styles and conditions. The bike features an IPS 2.4-inch display, providing essential information at a glance. The adjustable shock absorption system ensures a comfortable ride across various terrains. Kenda's silent endurance tires are chosen for their durability and performance, perfectly complementing the bike's design. Safety is paramount, and the Mihogo One is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The intelligent IPS waterproof instrument panel adds a layer of durability, safeguarding the bike's electronics. Additionally, the Mihogo app enhances the user experience by offering features like ride tracking, system diagnostics, and more. Priced at $1,199, the Mihogo One is not just an electric bike, it's a comprehensive mobility solution that combines style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it an attractive option for riders seeking a high-end folding electric bike. Thank you for watching our guide on the top 5 best long-range folding electric bikes of 2024. We hope you found a perfect match for your adventures and commutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in e-bike technology.